Today I'm at 2 Bluebell Way. I'm stood in the garden here. It's fully enclosed and the property itself is 3-bedroom, detached, and it's got a nice big living room, downstairs toilet and a fitted kitchen. There is also a garage with the property right next door and plenty of parking at the front. The garage is currently divided up, but it can be undivided and it would still make a good extra parking space or storage area. If you'd like to find out more, watch the video and then call the office for a viewing.